Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to deal with headers and footers with OPENXLSX library. So what I have done in here, in first line we are importing our library, in second one we are creating workbook, and in third we are going to append one worksheet to our workbook. At the end we are going to export all of this out to an actual document. So if you look at the internet, you are going to find functions like set header and set footer, and those functions are deprecated. We don't need them anymore. Now we have only one function that matters. And yes, I know that name of this function looks ugly, but it serves its purpose. So first argument is going to be our workbook. Second argument is going to be a sheet that we are going to append our header and footers to. And now header. With header and footer both, we are going to provide collection of 3 character elements. And these elements correspond with position in header and footer. So first element corresponds with left side, second one with center, and third one with right position. It's exact the same with footer. And you are free to use 2 positions if you like. So here we are going to say something like hey from the left and hi from the right, and here yeah, something like this. If we run our code, you see that everything went well. And let me show you what we have. Of course, you cannot find anything in here. Go into print preview, and in here you are going to see that we have no data. So in order to see our header and footer, what you have to do is to provide some content. Completely doesn't matter what. If you go to print preview now, you could see what we have. So hey from the left, hi from the right, and down there you could find our footer. So this would be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya.